What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be playing the zombie thing in Animal Company with my friend Holly Dolly. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, ooh, I have a bunch of monies.
How much?
Bunch of,
Let me see.
500,000 monies.
Look at that.
Alright, now where's the zombies at?
Well, follow me. You have to start it over here. I suggest using melee for you don't waste your money.
Wait, where's the? How do you unlock stuff? Because I can't get like guns
Here,
and stuff.
take this. Take that.
Almighty hammer.
Okay, I'm press ready. Okay,
Ready?
there's going to be zombies coming out.
Huh.
So
How do you know?
you don't have the grappling hook, so I recommend.
Oh wait, I hit him. He got one tap. Oh shit! Thor's mighty
One
hammer.
tap.
I got Thor's mighty hammer.
You can just camp right here and you can camp. What's our goal today?
Wait, why is he
So
not
what's
getting
going to
hit?
be our goal? Do you know our goal today or what?
No, not really. Why is he not
We
getting
should
hit?
at least.
Why is it not working? Why is the hits not working?
I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't work.
Oh, you have to be outside of the area. No, you died!
Yeah.
Wait. Let me grab your ghost.
No, it's okay. I'm worried.
Bro?
Shit.
Where are you?
Scheiße. You want to switch?
No, I want Thor's almighty hammer. Oh.
Definitely.
Oh, we have to
Yeah,
go
but I got
outside.
mine.
Ow, he hit me.
Building blocks and shake, cause I fucking Minecraft.
Oh wait, this is how you buy guns over here, right? Because I'm seeing like grenades and stuff.
Ryan! Chili!
You're frozen. Where are you?
You're frozen.
You're frozen.
You're frozen.
You're frozen.
You're frozen.
You're not moving.
You're not moving.
You're not moving.
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma giggity toy with?
Yeah, be quiet. I'm going out the window.
Well, just join me.
Alright. Oh, I can't see. I'm actually scared. Wait, what did I hit? Oh my gosh. Bro. Is he even here? No.
Pedo. Where did Giggles go?
Well, bam. Ding.
I don't even think that guy's the actual real Giggles.
Who wants to go on a ride? Who wants to go on a ride?
Bend over.
No.
Nah, too late. Oh, a chariot. I'm a chariot. Stand still.
Item giveaway! I'm gonna give somebody that keeps back.
Wait, Holly. How do you put stuff in the little inventory thingy?
Just hold it or get it in your bag. Look at this.
Oh my
my
Look
dad.
at this.
No, but like, how do you insert it?
For this stuff.
Your stash.
Oh, don't say.
Like, you go right here to the
wanna
box
insert it in my
looking
I
thing.
hope you guys like the giveaway. I had no,
How do you fucking give it away, bro?
no way.
Like, show me how to
You want me
exactly
look up
do
the
it.
bag? Yo, who wants to go flying?
It's kind of hard to explain. Game.
So you put it right there.
No. Yeah, I'm trying to become a
Then I
barbarian.
go anti-station grenade.
I need a grapple.
I'm a barbarian. Ooga booga.
Booga booga.
Shut the fuck up.
Now
Someone
you're
take this mini hammer. Take the mini hammer.
Someone do a galaxy giveaway.
Someone
I'm
just
a
did a
warrior
galaxy giveaway,
of
bro.
mass destruction.
Bro, I was really short.
Galaxy Cola. When is Galaxy giveaway? Where? Galaxy Cola.
Bro!
Oh yeah. Boing, boing.
That's a chicken, bro. That's a. Wait, where'd you guys get? How do y'all have colored thingies? How do y'all have colored? We should do a Galaxy giveaway. Is that mine? I want it. Yo.
Bro, that's my bag!
Oh my gigas. To my collection.
Oh yeah?
That's what that's.
Well, it's getting dumped out now. No,
What is bro yelling about?
Chili. Chili, I'm a
Look at
barbarian.
this tiny little
I'm
gun.
a barbarian. Look at me.
Yo,
Watch
bro,
this,
if you
I'm-
stop yelling, bro.
Hog rider.
Sir, if you guys affected plank. It's something called I don't know why it keeps on making these galaxy giveaway. Sorry for getting no from my pet affected grass.
Wow, hey.
Worst Galaxy giveaway I've ever seen. Worst Galaxy giveaway. Man, fucking shred this shit, bro.
Hold
This
up,
shit is
my
not
bad.
good.
Wait, Holly, how do you,
Yeah.
why does it not let me see my money?
Take
My cash.
Tell me why
it's okay. You
my
have
my
money.
big hammer here won't
You guys
go
think
inside.
Yeah, no,
about
yeah, no,
You
but
guys think
I'm
about
trying to
designer
see
bag.
it. It won't let me see
Designer
it.
bag.
Galaxy giveaway. This is real Galaxy. I really do like this. Like I do. I
Really?
like this
Really
baby blue.
What is Galaxy?
Oh,
Nice.
Galaxy
One Galaxy. I don't. Oh, a Galaxy Duck Galaxy Pie.
This is a nice baby blue.
Donations.
Again.
That is mine, sir.
Donations. Come on, everyone. Give me a donation.
The nice.
Donation up my ass.
Can someone stop lagging the game? I'm lagging really
Chili,
bad. Can someone
chili.
stop the lag?
Chill, sir.
Yeah.
Rory.
What
What the fuck, you? Chili? Wait.
Yes, I hear you.
Who is Chili? Chili.
Yeah.
Chili. Look at how much this matches me. Chili. Look how much it matches. Should I keep it?
Yeah.
It only has a heart
Oh, come
Ayo,
here. I
ayo,
found
bro,
something.
bro. I want to show you something. Wait, let me see that. Let me see that. I want that. Ooh. Yes. Almighty hammer. Or another almighty.
My hammer is better
Who
though.
wants this
Oh, be
backpack? There's
quiet.
freaking pumpkin pies in it.
Pumpkin. Bro.
Pumpkin pie.
Oh my gosh, look how huge he
I
is.
really don't want these pumpkin pies.
Oh.
Dinner. Let's eat some dinner.
My lordy. Oh my lordy lord.
I love
Holy
pumpkin pie.
cowabunga.
In real life.
Yeah, never
It's
say
so
that
good.
again, bro.
Bro. No. Mine.
Who wants some crackers?
9. Does anyone know what this is?
9.
Why is bro bugging?
Don't tell me.
I am the sun.
Why y'all so
I am
greedy?
the sun, guys.
Hey,
It is
Oh
I,
my
the
god, I need to
sun.
leave.
I want something I never gotten before. Something that isn't like boring or anything. Ah!
oh my gosh.
I am the huge one. I feel bad. Sorry, what?
Hollow orange. What the fuck?
Guys, look what I have.
Ew.
I want this.
Bro, Chili, look how
Ew.
rich I am, gang.
What do you, of course you do that.
Almighty hammer.
Yo, hey, cat.
Hey, Chili, look at this small flashlight. Look at it.
Look, it's a bunch of
Look
mini
at it.
mega flashlights. It's another mini. mega.
Chili, you want to go somewhere?
I
Yeah.
have a bunch of mini.
And that's what you get.
Good
What the?
boy.
Bro, what is going on? Why is there sticky bombs?
Ah! Ah! Guys,
Chili, we have to get out of here,
look.
gang.
Woo!
Chili, make a code. Make a code. I'll join
What
you.
is this?
I can't.
Make sure it's private.
What the fuck?
How do you make sure it's private? I mean, like,
It doesn't work, bro.
There you go. Now show my stuff.
7.
Bro, like, how do you turn on zombies though? How do you turn on zombies? So you're not gonna answer me?
Oh, sorry. No. Wait. Chili, stop. Chili.
You shall know true pain.
Chili, I know fucking true pain. Bro, I think I'm just gonna get off now. Wow.
No.
Nah, wow.
No, look, you're right there. It's right there.
no. yeah.
You're lucky I'm such a kind person. Yup. You're lucky. That's what it was. Because I'm a kind person. That's why you got it. Where are you? Can't find you.
Chili, I will be right back. I lost my hammer. I have to go back into the over server. Okay?
Alright. Wait, how do you like do a bunch of stuff in there? Oh. Oh, so that's how you use it. Use your left stick. No.
I got it.
Urgh.
I got it.
Wait,
I
how do
got
you-
it.
Wait, but first, how do you unlock all those cool weapons?
Oh no. I took them. By cold blood murder.
Like, I can't unlock.
I got it.
Like, how do you
Hey,
unlock the
hey,
crossbow and stuff? Isn't
Oh
it
no,
like,
no, some guy gave it. Go into press the bottom thing right here. Chili.
Oh,
Just ask for donations. Ask for a hammer and a crossbow on when you press this one. Get in the server and ask for like a crossbow and a hammer.
well, I don't want that
You'll
right
maybe
now.
get one.
How do you get the zombie?
Oh, how you turn on zombie mode?
Isn't it that
This one.
joint? Oh.
You want to play in public?
No.
Press start.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared, cause I'm a Nigga Man. Chili, I'll come and save you, my king.
Hey, chill. Wait, first, I need to get my stuff first. I need to get my weapons.
Nick.
Whoa. You can't be saying that on the channel, bro. Just family-friendly stuff.
Nah. I got something, Cliff.
I'm gonna use my Twilight. My
hammer can fly. I believe in my hammer.
The Twilight hammer is so much better than the Dawn hammer, Loki.
I know, right?
I'm gonna stand on. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Ain't work. Yes, it did. Yo, Holly. Look, I'm over here. Wait. Mystery box. What's this? What is the mystery box? Oh, use your shotgun shells. Okay. Oh, it's just ammo.
Yeah. Chili, watch out! Oh my gosh, Chili!
What the? Why do you sound like that? What the? Ah! It won't let me hit him because. Did you stop it? Hello? Oh wait, next wave. Holly, where are you? Is he even in here? Holly, where are you? Holly, don't leave.
No,
Where did you go?
Radio. Can I tell you how to use your radio real quick?
Yours.
You put your watch up here to your mouth.
Hello. Hello.
Is it turning green?
Yeah.
Yeah, that means
Hot breath
now.
jutsu.
What the? Come on, let's kill all these zombies.
Alright. I love killing oh my gosh, but look at all of them though. Huh, there we go. Oh shoot, they hit me! Ooh, what is this? What is this?
Don't eat it. You're fucked.
Huh? What does the red crystal do? Oh my
You'll
gosh!
die. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, there's bigger ones.
I'm gonna just throw that over there. It might be cursed or something. Right? So the big ones take more damage? Like,
Yeah, both. More health, more damage, more
yeah,
everything.
how do you heal back up? Kinda dying.
Why? No, you aren't.
My
Why
health
you
is
say
at
that?
yellow. Bro, that sound like me when I'm playing Ninja Flash.
No, Chili!
What? What? Now that one dude at football practice, how you be sounding like when you run in the lap. Oh hell no. Oh my gosh. I'm late. What the? Bro.
I
You're
killed
wasting
them
money?
with
Yeah, I died. No, does that mean I lost my hammer?
No.
Where's my hammer?
Look at my ass.
Bro, my hammer is gone. No. Oh wait, no, it's right here. I got my hammer. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, you died too. How did you die? Bro? Hello, Holly?
Nick.
Where are you?
On the side.
Oh, you're right there. Where's all the zombies at? Holy crap, why? At all the place, why you put me over here? Yeah, I'm scared. Oh, where's all the zombies at?
Black and white, black and yellow, and yellow.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Woo woo women! Woo woo women!
Yes, be quiet.
What's woo?
Oh, wait. Oh, shoot, we need go back to base.
Last one there's again.
I'm not dealing with that. Didn't you, like, just hear that? I'm not dealing with that.
Jigglepuff. I like Jigglepuff.
Oh, hey.
1 second, I need to check something.
Nah, they look ugly. Ew, bro.
Can I kiss you?
What? No. I'm
Not
about to
you,
jump.
the zombie.
I'm about to jump in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit.
1 sec, my mom's talking to me.
Oh no. Oh. Bruh. Oh my.
Chili, I have to go.
You do?
For your troubles. Don't you dare.
No. I'm gonna just save this for. Now, what happens if I bring it back? Oh yeah, it still has. It still has the twilight. Alright, that's good. That's good. That's good. More chocolates. Alright. Take that. Well, I guess that'll be the end of this video. If y'all made it this far, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to never miss another video. And comment for any more any ideas for me to play. Bye.